I'd like to welcome you guys to a place called Myers Cabin. We're going to shoot it on the G70 and we might get some shots on the GoPro. If I'm not mistaken, I might be able to go in. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get this started. Right here is the information to Myers Cabin, y'all. I would say some as we go through, but sometimes I don't remember things. I'm going to be honest with you. So now we're going to get started. Oh man, this is beautiful. I'm stoked. Myers Cabin. Quite beautiful. Let's see if I can get some info on it as we go through and take a look. And I believe there's a barn right out yonder there. Oh, look at this. Quite beautiful. But let's look at this tree first. Wonder why they have this little fence around this tree. Huh, I'm not sure why. Well, let's go up close and personal. If we're able to go in, we'll probably go in first. And I pretty much guarantee Mr. Kitt here is not allowed in. I'm holding the G70, so let's hope it doesn't get too bouncy. All right, let's walk right up to the door and see if we're allowed in. Here we go. Let's see if anybody's home. I hope we're allowed in.
It says come on in for a door open. Please close it as you leave.
Uh-oh, it opens. Oh, quite dark in here. Okay. Okay, let's see.
Keep going.
Oh, this is about as far as we could go in right here, y'all. Okay, guys, let's hope my G70's picking this up, but oh man, this is where the bedroom would have been. Honey, I'll be out in a second. You can check it out, and I'll take over Kitt then. Here's the bed. Oh my gosh, look at the walls. A mirror, hat rack. Okay. And this right here, oh, this would be their kitchen. Oh, there's a piano right yonder there. Look at that. Oh, these windows are kind of dirty too, or they're steaming up. There's the wood burning stove. It's a potbelly stove at that. I remember we had them when I was a kid and I lived in Kentucky. Yeah, we heated with wood and coal, y'all. Yeah, we did. But oh my God, look at this. That's the Florida Creek. Oh, honey. Yeah. Okay, let's back out a little bit. Be careful.
Be careful behind you too.
Okay. Yeah, it can be a little bit. Hey, Kitt, sorry, Bubby. You can't come in here. Sorry. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get the side and back of the house. I got a whole crowd of people behind me, y'all. But look at that window right up yonder there. Oh, wow. This looks like to be the front porch coming around here. Look at this. Yeah, this is the front porch right here. Let's swing it back and turn around as we swing it back. Yeah, right here's the front porch. All these people will get right in my video. Well, they're adults. They want in the video. They're allowed in the video because I don't care right now. Oh, this might make a great thumbnail right here. Let me back up and try not to trip. Oh, that's nice. Right off there in the distance is the barn. Not sure what we're doing because I got a whole crowd of people behind me. But let's play it by ear. Oh, got a guy coming up here. I think he's taking pictures. Oh, he got a camera, a big camera. I may want to talk to this gentleman. Oh, this will make a great shot of the barn. So I'm going to stick right here and get this shot real quick, y'all. We're going to call this Myers Cabin Barn. Talked to a guy that was leaving here, and he had a camera with a lens on that thing longer than my arm. Oh, it was beautiful. Okay, let's get down there and we'll hold the camera and we'll talk and then we'll finish out with the GoPro. Okay, this may be a long take, maybe a short take. I was kind of frightened there for a second because I didn't know my microphone. I thought for a second my microphone mic wasn't on. Thank God I forgot to turn it off. There's some farming equipment, really old farming equipment. Let's walk around here and see if we get a peek inside. Yeah, Angie thinks all the crowd of people coming down here is getting family photos or graduation photos, who knows. But yeah, you got a fence here, we can't go inside. I've always had a thing for barns. Okay, let's get right up to the fence. It's hard to see inside there. Yeah, I'm sure the G70 ain't doing no good. But I've always had a thing for barns. Here we go. It is Myers Barn. Look at that. If you guys want to freeze the video and watch or see what this says, go right ahead. We're going to read it and continue on with the video. There's bobcats here?
Yeah.
Oh, I love to see a bobcat down there in the wooded area. Oh, heck yeah, I would. I'm not so sure, but here we go. We're going to go right on up. Oh, you know, that was one of my dreams, to buy some property that has a barn. I could live in a barn. How about you all? Could you live in a barn? I definitely could. So here's what's behind the barn. We're not going to call these woods. We're going to call this forest. Oh, heck yeah. By the way, I am back out here at Muscatatuck again. Now, I probably won't be getting any more videos out here for another couple weeks. But I tell more about that on the GoPro, okay? Right now, this camera's more for beauty. Let's just continue on down. Oh, look at yonder right there. That's beautiful too. Let's see if I can do this shot justice. Look at this. Oh, it's just, that's my GoPro turning off, by the way, y'all. I need to set that up like I have my GoPro 9 so it doesn't turn off on me. Okay, I'm gonna stay right here because my next step is the doozy. Look at that nice little bridge right there. That goes up to another place you can park your car. We decided to park the one way down yonder that way. But let's get a shot of Myers barn from this angle. Oh, wow. And as we walk back up the hill, right up yonder there, we'll get another shot of the house, and maybe, just maybe, them peoples might have got their pictures already. As we walk away from Myers barn, what I was going to say was, we're going to be coming back out here to Muscatatuck. What's the proper name again?
Muscatatuck Natural Wildlife
Refuge. Muscatatuck Natural Wildlife Refuge. We're going to be making multiple more trips out here as, well, the year goes by. Yeah. I don't want to overdo. And this place is so large and huge, we will not be able to see it in a month of Sundays. We won't be able to see it all, no. So what we're going to do is, every so often, come out here. I want to bring my youngest son out here. Don't look like anybody's don't look like anybody's up there now. I want to bring my youngest son out here so he gets some pictures. But that's probably towards spring. All right, guys, I'm almost at the cabin. We'll get some more shots. And if I didn't know any better, it looks like there's solar lights on that cabin. Look at the roof. There's solar lights on this cabin. What the heck gives? All right, let's get some more shots of the cabin, and we'll close her out with the GoPro, y'all. There's Kitt and Angie down there by them trees. When I sat down here on this log that I'm on, see, that's where I'm at. Smell those, oh, that explains it. So see, I smelled a strong scent of poo. Angie had to pick up some poo back there from Kitt. All right, we're still waiting till these people get done with their pictures, and we'll get the shot of the cabin one more time, and we'll go from there. Hey guys, want to have a seat? Yeah, I smelt that over here. Kitt, holy smokes, what you eat? Yeah. All right, here we go. One more shot. Well, maybe a couple shots here, but right up yonder, can you see that? Let's see if I can zoom into it. Hang on, I'm switching hands. Might get a little shaky, but right up yonder there we go. A solar light. I could probably get a better shot if I move over, but why? The only thing I could think of is, that's how, you said inside they had light in there.
Yeah, there was a little
well, them not being any wires coming around, that's why it has solar light, because that's how it has electricity for the light inside. See, I'm not that, well, never mind.
The lights that you didn't
I'm a smarticle today, huh?
The lights that you didn't see to turn on inside.
Yeah, that explains why it has solar lights. Yeah. Oh, quite beautiful, isn't it? Let's walk on around, and right down yonder there, that was the lake we got last, by the way. Well, I'm sorry, that's the lake I got the other day. Yes, right down yonder there. Okay, let's get up close and personal, because some of you all might want to know how they stack the logs together. And I can tell you something right here, okay? Now, this looks like it had the bark on it right here. It tells me when they built the cabin here, well over 100 years ago, it had to do it before the season got too cold. And that's why it had the bark on it. I do know a few cabins that I've been to over the years was the exact same way, and that's why it was. Okay, we're walking up towards the front porch. Looks like somebody had a watermelon down yonder. And Angie's going right back inside again. You know what? Let's get another shot inside since the lights does work. And maybe be a better shot this time. Okay, here we go. We'll go on to this side first. Let the camera adjust a little bit. Right there, it looks like it might be an old radio right there. I can't tell. Can't tell what that is. A chair, potbelly stove. Oh my God. Kitchen table. Right up there is where they would have kept their medicine and maybe some of their moonshine. And right there's the piano. Let's go right over here. And right there's their bed. Yeah. And it looks like some kind of quilt thing right there hanging on the wall. A mirror back there. I'm trying to watch my step, guys, so I don't want to fall. And a dresser back there. And there's a chair right back in the corner. Alright, hopefully I did this justice since the lights are on. You guys will see this twice. I hope you guys enjoy the cabin I showed you today in the barn. Yeah, it's adventure's adventure no matter where we go. Now we're going to leave here now and head home. I say in a couple weeks we may come back depending on the weather. It's going to take many trips out here to get to explore the whole place. It is. This place is huge. So guys, until next time, leave your comments down below. Hope you liked today's video. Hit that like button, please hit that like button. And we'll catch you next time. Yeah, we'll catch you next time, man. Trying to think when this video might air. If it airs before Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. If not, well, happy Thanksgiving anyway. Come on, until next time, let's get out of here.